Representation of beta function in terms of Hurwitz Zeta function. Okay, so I have been doing quite a lot of video about beta function recently, and if you are not introduced to it, let me just do it now. So 1 by 1 to the power s minus 1 by 3 to the power s plus 1 by 5 to the power s minus 1 by 7 to the power s, and so on. This sum is actually considered as the beta function of s. Yes, and so therefore in sum representation I can write this as sum going from n equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n by 2n plus 1 to the power s. This is the beta function, and we will represent this Dirichlet beta function in terms of the Hurwitz Zeta function. Now I guess you know what zeta function is. Yes, zeta function is just the sum from n equals to 1 to infinity of 1 by n to the power s. Yeah. Now Hurwitz Zeta is slightly different. It has two arguments, and this is defined as the Hurwitz Zeta of s and the alpha is defined as sum going from, actually this goes from 0 to infinity, not 1 to infinity. Sum going from 0 to infinity of 1 by n plus alpha to the power s, and please note that alpha cannot be 0. Yes. Okay. Now in the case where alpha is 1, if the Hurwitz Zeta has s and alpha has 1, in that case this is same as the normal zeta function. Yes, you can see that, I guess. Okay, so now we have this definition. We want to find the representation of beta function in terms of Hurwitz Zeta. So what we can do is we can break this sum into two parts, where for n being even and n being odd. When n is even, this will be sum from n equals to 0 to infinity. For even n, this will just be plus 1, and if it's 2n, so it will just be now 2 times 2n is 4n plus 1 to the power s. Yes, the power s. And similarly, now okay, for odd n, this will be negative. So negative of the sum from n equals to 0 to infinity of 1 by, now if for any odd n is 2n plus 1. Yes, yeah, so 2n plus 1, and then we have 4n plus 3 to the power s. Now I can take 1 by 4 to the power s as common from both of them. Yes, I can take 1 by 4 to the power s common. So here we will have sum from n equals to 0 to infinity of 1 by n plus 1 by 4 to the power s minus sum from n equals to 0 to infinity of 1 by n plus 3 by 4 to the power s. Yeah, okay, going good till now. Now after this, we know that we can take this in terms of Hurwitz Zeta, because alpha is just 1 by 4, and this is just another, the power of the denominator is just s. So what I can say is 1 by 4 to the power s. Now this is Hurwitz Zeta of s comma 1 by 4, Hurwitz Zeta of s comma 1 by 4 minus again Hurwitz Zeta of s comma 3 by 4. So this is the representation of beta function in terms of Hurwitz Zeta function. 1 by 4 to the power s, Hurwitz Zeta of s comma 1 by 4 minus Hurwitz Zeta of s comma 3 by 4. And yeah, that is the correct answer. So we did it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos too.